Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you had a good day. Scalping is very risky, so get educated first before trying. If you like my video and think my content is knowledgeable, then subscribe to my channel to stay connected. After pre-market scanning, we got a stop, that is ITC. Let's draw the levels first before the market opens. There is a huge volume coming in here as we can see, and it's in sort of uptrend. We will follow the trend and attempt to buy, keeping the trend of Nifty in mind. Market has opened and let's see how the stock behaves. Here a wick is formed showing rejection in an area of support. We will look for an opportunity to buy. It broke out this level and after a pullback we will enter. The sentiment is bullish. I entered the trade with a risk-reward ratio of 1:2.5. It's a very huge volume candle, seems the buyers are in, and we will wait for the target. And it's hit. We will wait for our next trade. Seems it's getting rejected in the trend line. Hence our sentiment is bullish. We will hunt for buying opportunities. Shorting will not give us a good risk-reward ratio. Volume is increasing. We need to stay alert. Okay, it's accumulating. Anytime the price may spike, and I am going to take a very aggressive entry here. I entered here with risk reward 1.3 approx. Target got hit again, that's awesome, a super quick trade. Just look at the volume guys, it's the big players. We see a divergence here. I gonna short this with good RR. And I entered a short position here and will wait for the target near the previous swing. Target got hit again. Just amazing. That's all folks for today. See you tomorrow. Thanks for showing your patience throughout the trades. You guys rock.